My father was a dedicated socialist who, when he became a citizen, voted for Eugene V. Debs even after he was dead, saying that Debs dead was better than anything else alive. He was a labor organizer back in the days when you labored during the day and organized at night. And the word strike was a frightening thing to say at the kitchen table. When he wanted to act against injustice, he said, even committing a crime is allowed if it's against injustice. In those days, greenhorns, Griener, coming into this country and wanting to work in a shop, in a sweatshop. When you went for a job, the employer, another Jew, would say, Bist du Griener? You're a greenhorn? And when you admitted yes, darfst arbeiten 2 Wochen umsonst. You have to work for 2 weeks without any money. Why? Well, you have to learn the measuring system. This to my father was an injustice. So he stole a key to the shop. And on Sundays, he would bring in the greenhorns and teach them in an hour what the measuring system was, converting from metric. When they came in on Monday for a job, he gave them instruction on what to say. And so when they said, Bist du Griener? No. Kannst du arbeiten hier? And they would sit down and they would be paid from the first day.